Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Unfolded. Today we'll solve a few problems on chemical kinetics. So let's start. First question. The unit for second order reaction is. In my video on chemical kinetics, the first one, I have thought to find out the units. There's a shortcut formula also which you can remember to find the units. So the unit for second order reaction is, any guesses? Please pause the video and find out. Yes, the unit for second order reaction is mole inverse liter second inverse. That's your option number C. Let's move ahead with the second question. For the second order reaction, a straight line among the following plots is. This question is asking you a plot of what versus what will lead you to a straight line, and that your correct option is option B, a plot of 1 upon concentration of X versus T. You can use the main equation to find of the second order reaction and find out this. Third question. The half-life of a zero order reaction is. I have given all the half-lives from zero order till second order and also the formula to calculate the half-life, the shortcut formula. So based on that, you must be knowing that the half-life for zero order reaction is, guess, pause the video and find out. Yes, it is T half A upon 2K. Let's move ahead with the fourth question. A first order reaction takes 40.5 minutes to be 25% decomposed. Calculate the rate constant of the reaction. So there is an important point to note here, that a calculator is not allowed for this exam. So it is better you know how to calculate without using a calculator. The numbers are such that you can calculate without using a calculator. Let's solve this problem. So this is based on the first order. So you need to write first the formula, that is K is equal to 1 upon T ln of A upon A minus X. All these formulas I have done on my channel in the chemical kinetics videos. Please go through them. So it is 1 upon T. What is your T? It's your time, which is 40.5. Then you have to take ln of A upon A minus X. That is, your initial concentration is always assumed to be 100. A minus X means 100 minus your how much has been decomposed. That's 25%. So what's not decomposed you have to take. That is around 0.75. Fine. So once you solve this, you get your answer as this. Let's move to the fifth question. The rate constant for a first order reaction is this. You need to calculate half-life time. So your T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. So if I want to calculate half-life time, it is 0.693 upon K. What is your K? K is 1.54 into 10 to the power minus 3. And once you solve, you get your answer as 450 seconds. This is your sixth question, sorry. For a reaction 2A plus B giving you 3Z, if the rate of consumption of A is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4, the rate of formation of Z will be. This is a very basic question. It is mostly covered in the first year syllabus. So what you need to do is first find out the decomposition. So it will be like minus 1 upon 2 d concentration of A upon dt is equal to minus d concentration of B upon dt is equal to 1 divided by 3 d concentration of Z divided by dt. Please excuse my handwriting. My handwriting actually is really good, but writing on the screen becomes a problem for me. So then you have to equate this two. Fine, because we are dealing with consumption of A and the formation of Z. So it is minus 1 upon 2. A is your 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. And here you have your minus is equal to 1 upon 3 into dz upon dt, which I assume it to be x. So once you solve, you get your answer as A. This is your correct answer. You can solve it and check. This is your 7th question here. For a reaction, rate constant K at 27 degrees centigrade was found to be this much. You need to calculate the activation energy for this reaction. So to find the activation energy, you know the formula. K is equal to A e raised to minus EA upon RT. You are given the K, you are supposed to find EA. So you need to first write the equation K is equal to A e raised to minus EA upon RT. And your K in the question is 5.4 e raised to minus 50. So you can equate both these parts. So it will become minus EA upon RT is equal to minus 50. So to find EA, what you have to do is this and this minus sign will go, and then you have to multiply 50 by R and T. And here the R was given to be 8.314 normally. Okay, if it's not specified, you're supposed to take this one and then find out. Your correct answer appears to be D, which is this one. Let's move ahead. This is your question number 8. The first order quarter life is. This also I have done, and your correct answer is ln of 4 by K. Next question. What is the energy of activation if its rate doubles when the temperature is raised from 290 to 300 Kelvin? Here you have your answers, but you need to find the solution using formula. Which formula you will use? Log K2 by K1 EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. So you substitute all the values. Your T2 will become 300, T1 is your 290, and the rate doubles. So K2 upon K1 is equal to 2, and your R is given to be 2 calories. So substitute all this and you get your answer is 12,000 calories or 12 kilocalories. Let's move ahead. This is the last question. The radioactive decay follows. So this is a very simple question. We all know that radioactive decay follows the first order kinetics. Thank you. If you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Happy learning.